Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we are back doing a POV on the beast, the jelly bean. But yeah, here's the car right now guys. It's slowly building its way up. Like, to think where it's come from to where it is now is ridiculous. Like, I think the car looks insane, especially the back end. The back end is my favorite because you've got the rear spats and you've got the diffuser, and hopefully soon we're going to get a new exhaust back box delete. Anyway, back to the driving. Let's hop in a second, but yeah, let me know what you guys want next for modifications. We're obviously running the stage 1 remap. It got dynoed at 280 brake horsepower. We're running now Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on all 4 tyres, so they look really nice. I put a little bit of tyre shine on it, so it looks quite cool. I'm bloody gassed with this car. Yeah! Other than that, let's actually turn the car on.
GPS connected.
Hold on. There's the exhaust. Definitely, it is really quiet. Even Chloe said she wouldn't even mind it louder, and that's saying something. So get this in reverse and basically do a little 3-point down. We're just gonna have a little whiz about, pretty much. Let's not get stuck in the mud. No cars coming. Oh, that's it. Am I gonna make that? Yes, I am, I think. Yeah. Yay! Jeez, we're now on the road. Oh, jeez. I'm over to. Oh, you son of a bitch. Don't you hate it when people don't indicate? I say that literally as I don't indicate. I haven't been uploading as regularly as I should be for a while now. Pretty much, it's been like 2 weeks. And pretty much we have been filming videos for you, but this car is a pain to work on. Let me tell you, right? So, I tried to install a blowout valve 3 times while filming. I tried to install a blowout valve for you guys, and pretty much it just did not go in my plan. And pretty much we ended up not installing it. So I actually booked it into a garage for them to install, and we were there for no joke like 6 hours, and they couldn't do it. The diverter valve is actually facing the engine, so it's really tight to get the bolts off, and there's one bolt that basically you can't reach. So basically we're going to go back to that garage, and they're gonna have to take apart, I don't know if it was the drive shaft, I don't know what that even is, but they have to take apart the engine to install the blowout valve, which should be a 3-bolt job, for fuck's sake. This car has had so many problems getting stuff installed. Like, I love it, it's built well, but just every time we go somewhere, it's just so hard to install. We can't install side skirts because the fucking metal seals. It's so disheartening when, like, it doesn't work, basically. Like, videos don't work. So I still love filming, but it's just trying to find something that will actually fit and work on this car. So pretty much for you guys, I'm actually gonna like buy a project car, and I'm gonna try my hardest to like actually get into the mechanical stuff and stop like going to companies to get it done. This Scirocco is just a pain. Ready? So we're joining that M-way. Ready? Whew. That, all right, that isn't a lot of beads, right? It's wet out, but even that Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, they really kept the power down there, which is good. I can't wait for this car to be like, you know, like the BMW M4s and stuff, when they're downshifting, it sounds brutal. I can't wait to downshift, and then it literally feels like the car is going to blow up on you. That's the brutality I want. You know, I'm a kinky bastard, you get me? Let's go, come on. Windows down a little bit. We're getting into town, they'd like the tracky bit. Let's go smoke some pedestrians or Ready? See ya! See ya! Let's see if we scrape on this bumper, on this side skirt. What the fuck is this? Don't go, don't go, don't go. Jesus Christ, it feels like a bloody... I don't think even the GoPro stabilisation can handle this fucking bumpiness. Let's see if we can just dip past this Ford. Yes, we can. Two. Don't go. It's so fun just whipping. So fun. The way that it put down the power now, it is a train. Like, fam, this car is a train. Just like that. Whipping. That's what I mean about the traction. Like, we definitely turn it off. Hold on. Yeah, the traction control, like, it puts you back in your seat because, like, you'll have like quite a bit of throttle on, and then it'll just cut, and then you have quite a bit of throttle and it'll just cut, and it keep cutting out. It don't feel nice on the car. Let's go this way. This one is a tight place to come down. I don't know why I came down here, but it will do. It will do. Yeah, look, like, if somebody's coming around that corner too quick, like, I'm getting written off. Like, look. Oh my fucking god. Shit. I would not want to live here. Oh shit, no. Thank you. Alright, it's good. He had a little bit of a... I couldn't get over anymore, so I'd fucking like rip off my splitter or something. Yeah, this car ain't made for like practicality. It scrapes on every fucking speed bump, every multi-story, it will like snap. And you motherfuckers want me to get it lowered. It's like people saying like to debadge it. No, de-wiper it, I mean. Oh shit. I'm literally like, yeah, you're mad. Yeah, like de-wipering a car, right? It looks cool, I get it. But it's just like, look, I don't know if you guys can even see, but like if my window is dirty, right? I want to be able to clean it. No, I don't want to have to get out the bloody car. These are mental roads though, honestly crazy roads. It looks like I'm in Lord of the Rings or some shit. The car sounds monstrosity! It sounds beautiful now. It sounds, oh my god, here's a tunnel. A little tunnel. Let's, oh, I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god. That scared me. That sounded like it should be in a horror film. Boom! Like, it almost feels like you want to close your eyes, it's that quick. I don't understand how people want a car quicker than this. You lot are mental. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's the quickest I've been. You know what the maddest thing is as well? I'm short shifting. I ain't carrying it out through the rev range. Like, I have not hit red line since this stage on remap yet. Swing it in that beach. I don't know if you guys can see the yellow tint to like the whole inside because of the chameleon. So when the sun is really shining down on it, it comes through and it like puts a yellow tint on everything. It's not crazy, like noticeable. It's actually almost kind of it feels like luxury to me. It's kind of like, what car has yellow inside like this? But yeah, it's quite a cool look to it, I think. You don't notice it, obviously, because you get used to it. I've been like, even after the same day I drove it, I got used to it. But yeah, it does have a nice yellow tinge to it, which is quite cool, so. That road is beautiful. Fucking hell, cycle is bloody central out here. I love corners and stuff. I used to absolutely despise them because I slipped on one. Obviously didn't crash or anything, but I did slip on one at one point, so I've always like hated them up until now, where I've like, the Scirocco has given me confidence to take corners, I guess. Don't go, you stupid cunt. Fuck. You can hear the tyres definitely are like still smelling. Ready? For the power. Oh, oh my god! Like what? I don't people with faster cars than this. It's mad. Okay, all right. So we're basically coming up to the end of the video. I could be driving around all day. Literally, I've wasted a quarter of a tank on this POV. You guys better be fucking happy. Dodge this massive pothole. Oh, oh, jeez. Right. So, unfortunately, guys, that is the end of today's video. Taking the Scirocco out. Literally, I've burnt so much fuel today. I've burnt a bit of the tyres. But yeah, follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new. Hopefully you guys like the car. I think it's sick. Look at it, look how beastly it looks. No, I'm actually gassed a bit. Oh jeez, I've just stepped in the puddle. But yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna drive home now. Maybe even give the car a little bit of a clean because it's very, very dirty. But yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?